Welcome back, everyone. I'm Mike, and on today's LEGO review, we're going to be looking at the 25th anniversary Phantom Menace LEGO Brick Headz set. With set number 40676, this set has 732 pieces. With the Brick Headz collection, there's no minifigs. This set comes in at $55 and just under 8 cents per piece. Taking a quick look back, you can already tell there's a ton of history with LEGO and Star Wars. Back in 2017 to 2020, there were 17 sets. All the way to today, and the most recent ones, looks like they're building about 2 sets per year. Obviously, Obi-Wan wasn't in this newer set because they just made him in 2022, so he wasn't necessary to be in the Phantom Menace set. As of last year, 2023, the Endor set seems to be a fan favorite. I think this year LEGO really stepped it up. Let's take a look into it. Getting into the box art of this set, it looks really clean and simple. The problem is there's so many better options LEGO could have done with it. It's a little lazy in my opinion. It could have been a lot more colorful. It could have had a little bit more juice to it. But I do love the names on the top. It looks so clean the way that LEGO did it. And the side of Queen Amidala and the 25th anniversary stamp on it. The box art's not so bad. I just think LEGO could have done a little bit better. Once opening the box, you're going to find 9 bags in here and 6 instruction manuals, 1 for each character. There's nothing special inside of the instruction manuals. It's all pretty standard here. In this set, you're going to find Darth Maul, Qui-Gon Jinn, Anakin Skywalker, Captain Panaka, Queen Amidala, and last but definitely not least, Jar Jar Binks. Now we're going to look into the sets. I'm not going to take a deep dive into these because there's just not very much to talk about. But in each one of these, I put where the movie reference comes from. And I think LEGO did the best job that LEGO possibly could have done when it comes to Brick Headz. Brick Headz is definitely kind of getting a little bit more popular. It took a break a couple years ago where it just was not that interesting. But now with the Phantom Menace reboot, which is arguably a lot of people's favorite Star Wars movie, not mine, but I still love the movie regardless. So when you reference to the movies, to the actual sets, Star Wars did an absolute bang out job on this one. Just getting a quick comparison to last year's Endor Brick Headz set compared to this year's the Phantom Menace Brick Headz set. It's almost the same in a lot of ways, but it's definitely different in a lot of ways too. The Phantom Menace Brick Headz set, you get one more set, you get way more pieces. It is $15 more expensive, and the price per piece is a little bit better. So overall, I think the Phantom Menace is the better option here if you're going to pick one of the two. Last year's Endor Brick Headz set is sold out, and it went on sale pretty fast. So in the beginning, I don't think it was really popular. This one seems to be an absolute showpiece. Jumping into the grading scale, we're going to do quality, display, no minifigures, and price per piece on this one because it is a great grading scale when it comes to Star Wars. The quality here is an absolute A+, with the pieces that LEGO decided to pick to build these Brick Headz sets was an absolute genius idea. Queen Amidala's headpiece looks perfect. I love the circular LEGO piece that they put on the bottom. So overall, the quality and entertainment of this set to build was absolutely out of the park. Moving on to display here, the only reason why I'm going to give this an A- is because I wish Brick Headz had one piece to put all of the Brick Headz on, or kind of like a stacked situation, how some of the minifigure case pieces have. I wish LEGO would have options to do that with it. Lastly, price per piece is at a whopping only 8 cents per piece, under 10 cents for Star Wars. You can never complain about that. Absolute A+. Which brings us to our final grade of an A. This set is no question a day one buy. I don't see this one going on sale anytime soon, maybe around Christmas time. But other than that, you should absolutely go out and get this set.